Hello everybody, I hope you all are having a fantastic day today. It is May 25th and today I am looking at Shiba Inu. So before we get into that, all I ask for you to is to subscribe and like the video. It helps a ton as I am a new channel. Let's get right into this video. Now, Shiba Inu is down 10% today. However, I believe this is due to the huge run-up it previously had right here. Bitcoin is making its way back up previously when it did break $40,000 a coin. Even Dogecoin is making its way down. Not as bad as Shibu, however. Short term, SHIB is not looking too good. It's super risky to mess with these cryptos that don't really have real use or problem that's being established yet. But either way, the volume right now is down 38%, which is not that great. So that's something to pay close attention to that I'll be going into later into this video. Now, even for Dogecoin, for instance, if the market doesn't increase, if the volume doesn't increase, it's basically the main factor on why it's maintaining its levels or not. If it continues to decrease, then there's not really much saving the cryptocurrency, whether it's SHIB or Doge. Aside from the fact on its actual problem, it's solving with its technology. So that's why these meme stocks are very risky to play, but I'm going to show you guys some news updates on why I think overall they're taking a massive hit. Also, remember guys, this is my own opinion and not financial advice. You can see that it's continued to drop after it picked itself right back up right here. You could see some people trying to buy the dip here and then going all the way down, then going up, and then going right down on a downtrend, even though people are still buying. And until Bitcoin and the overall market recovers, then it's most likely going to continue to downtrend. I believe this is a great buying opportunity if you are looking to buy some SHIB. I like SHIB as it's Japan and one of the largest economies in the world, and it's their version of the meme coin Dogecoin. Make sure to, however, keep a good eye on the top dogs such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, as that determines what's going to happen, because it's not going to randomly spike up and break all-time highs if the overall market is down. Now let's see what is actually going on, so let's check this out. Here is a liquidation site showing how many liquidations SHIB has incurred in the last 24 hours. Now, as you can see, it's 4.5 million right now, or 480 billion SHIB. You can see here the differences in longs and shorts in the red, longs in the green. You can see the price points and the Bitcoin price correlation in correlation to everything. Now, around 4 days ago, Bitcoin sold off 400 million in the last 24 hours. Now, it has only sold 140 million in the last 4 hours. I believe this is a great step in the right direction. Now, make sure to keep an eye on this. The sell-off in the crypto market also has to do with leverage trading, but not the whole reason the whole market is completely crashing. As you can see here, 800,000 crypto traders liquidated in the last 24 hours. This is from Wednesday, May 19th. Now, some of the stuff Elon has said has been pretty bad about Bitcoin. However, he is working with multiple coins to figure out how to make it greener for Tesla. Let's look at some details here. It stated over 8 billion worth of positions were affected according to BYBT, and with the Bitcoin futures market accounting for 50% of all total liquidations, it was the heaviest coin hit by this. So overall, 8 billion worth of positions were affected, and that heavily impacts the market significantly. And obviously, Elon Musk not using Bitcoin in his company, and China regulating different cryptocurrencies. Crypto has been significantly hit. There are, of course, other factors on top of this news, and it looks like there's another side with the other big players that are trying to wipe out some other players in the crypto market, and it seems like that has definitely impacted the overall crypto market. I think in the short term, if this is the start of the bear markets, Bitcoin could continue to drop, and there's some predictions people saying that it could hit 25 or $20,000 a coin. I think if it would drop to these levels, I would be interested to see what would happen to Ethereum, because a lot of people think Ethereum is going to flip Bitcoin, and then in return, it pretty much becomes the top dog. Next thing you know, after it flips, if that were the case, then any other cryptocurrency has the potential to flip. It's all based off of the market. So if the market is red, SHIB is going to be red because it's solely based off community. Yes, there's some people saying technology, but if it were for the technology, bigger players would most likely be looking into it. Mathematically, if we wanted to reach levels that were close to the high in SHIB, then you would need volume that is most likely 15x, give or take, or 12x of the current volume right now. Again, this is why I say it's super risky, but since the market is going so bearish, I think this is a great opportunity to buy up some more. Just keep on averaging in. I don't care how much I've lost because I'm positive it will come back up. Now, if Bitcoin goes down to 20,000 a coin, it's probably going to last for a bit, just like in 2017. And if that's the case, it's going to wipe out so many projects. Back in the 2017 hype, it went up. So many cryptos came out of nowhere. There were lows of like 3,000 down here. They were just completely wiped out. Almost all of the projects that were not legit just completely got obliterated because the ones that were not legitimate were trying to capitalize on the hype over the whole crypto market. Now, only the legitimate ones have sustained it and made the multi-billions market cap. So again, that's just my thoughts and my opinion, so you have an understanding of how risky certain cryptos are to invest in. I believe SHIB is going to be a great long-term hold with some big spikes short-term. So if you are looking for short-term, this is a great coin because some days it could go down 30%, then the next day it will be up back 50%. I'm most definitely going to be doing this for the short term with SHIB as I think it's the best play for this coin. This was my point of view and analysis of SHIB. I plan on covering more on other cryptocurrencies, stock analysis, predictions, and penny stocks. I put more than 2 hours of work in these short 10-minute videos. Thank you all for subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.